Alright, I'm going to try and make a quick video of the light, blinker light, converting the park light on top of the headlight bucket into a blinker light. So when the park light is on, that's how bright the light is. Not very bright. When the blinker's on, it's a lot brighter. And if I put the park light on and the blinker, so give me a second and I'll put the lens on and we'll do it again. Okay, and we're back. So let's try this again. So here's the park light. And here's the blinker. And if I do both, park light and blinker. So I'll check this one off my list. Thanks for the help, Kevin.